innovations. They are the leading indicators of the introduction of new technologies into the marketplace. In this presentation, we attempted to visualize various patents granted by US Patents Office, the USA, and BRIC countries. We also analyzed GDP growth of respective countries, and our wish is to present interesting insights through visualization. Welcome to the presentation. This strategic dashboard is created primarily to provide an at-a-glance view on how BRIC countries are coming up in terms of number of patents filed, what each of the countries are focusing on, whether they are catching up with US, if so how fast, who are the leaders and laggards among the BRIC countries, and whether the focus area depends on the primary drivers of the economy. As there is a high focus on the growth of BRIC countries, we try to visualize whether there is a pattern in the growth of patents filed. We also try to analyze through visualization what is the top focus area of each country in terms of patents filed and whether there is a correlation between patent area of focus and GDP growth area. We checked whether there is a shift in focus across BRIC countries from 1991 to 2012. This can be seen in the show history mode on the worksheet. Next comes the academic dashboard. Economists are interested in GDP growth analysis and they may want to research on leading indicators of GDP growth. From the visualization, we can see that number of patents filed by BRIC countries in USPTO is flat from 1990 to 2012, except for India and China. GDP growth, and in fact, is flat towards 2012. USA shows a different picture altogether. Even though number of patents filed increased over the years, GDP growth still shows ups and downs. So one of possible conclusion is not all patents filed are converted into economically viable business opportunities. We wanted to create a dashboard that may be of help to investors. Our dashboard may help investors by answering following questions. What industry group is trending in patent filings? What is the year-on-year percentage difference in growth of patent filings across geographies? What is the year-on-year percentage difference in growth of patent filings in specific industries? The heat map tells a story about patent rankings in terms of number of patents filed in various areas like ammunition, chemical sciences, computers and communication areas, etc. from the year 1990 to 2012. The dashboard also shows the percentage difference in number of patents filed across countries from 1990 to 2012. This is our very first baby step towards analyzing innovations, and we thank you very much for your time and patience in watching our presentation. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.